We humans are all different. That's part of our diversity. We like different colors, different foods, and different hobbies. Similarly, we believe different things, and what we believe can be sometimes reflected in what we do. That's what we wanted to explore in our research titled Exploring Feedback Beliefs and Practices, a study case at a private school in Huechuraba.
Our research project went through various changes along the way, but our final decision was the result of a critical incident observed in one of the lessons of our practicum, which took place in a private co-education institution located in Huechuraba. There, it was observed that when checking one of the students' assignments, their teacher provided feedback differently than the pre-service teacher did. That led us to think about what teachers believe in relation to feedback. Given this circumstance, we decided to dive deeper into this topic. Therefore, the following research question was formulated. What are in-service and pre-service teachers' beliefs and practices about feedback?
Now, let's take a look at the main concepts from literature involved in our study. The first one is feedback, which is information that teachers give to their students about their performance, with the ultimate goal of improving their learning. It is considered to be one of the most powerful influences on students' learning. Feedback has an essential role, since it gives students the precise information that they need in order to figure out exactly where they are in the learning process and what to do next.
Another concept that we explored in our case study was teacher belief, which is defined as an idea, consciously or unconsciously held, and it is evaluative and accepted as true by the individual, serving as a guide to thought and behavior.
In the classroom, the set of beliefs held by the teacher can determine the pedagogical practices they will implement in the lessons. In order to collect data about the participants' beliefs, we implemented a semi-structured interview through which in-service and pre-service teachers were asked about their beliefs and practices regarding feedback. A total of 5 interviewees took part in this procedure.
So, what we can deduce from the study findings? Even though one of the participants considered feedback as not having any type of value in the learning process, most of the participants agree that feedback has in fact a positive impact on the students' learning. Therefore, feedback is frequently used in the lessons of these participants, both in oral and writing format, and in a variety of formal and informal activities. However, time constraints were the prime factor restricting them from approaching students through personalized feedback.
We also encountered some limitations. Including the perceptions of the students in the study was not possible due to restrictions from the practicum center. Similarly, there were some limitations with availability of school staff and teachers in terms of time. To conclude, what are our final thoughts?
We consider that by learning about the belief that teachers had regarding feedback, we had the opportunity to acquire a deeper understanding of their practices. Also, by developing awareness on how their belief and impact their feedback practices, great improvement can be expected to students' learning processes and teacher pedagogical practices.